The theory of evolution is a theory on how life developed on Earth. But what exactly is evolution? Well, according to Google, evolution is the process by which different kinds of living organisms are thought to have developed and diversified from earlier forms during the history of Earth. But how and why exactly did this happen and continues to happen? Evolution can occur through natural selection, mutation, genetic drift, and migration. Natural selection. Organisms that are more fit and better adapted to their environment than others of their species survive and reproduce offspring. Those offspring inherit the fit and benefitable traits and then reproduce as well. For example, in the first photo, you see a species of green and brown bugs. But the bird seems to eat more of the green bugs, leaving the species the majority of the brown bugs. Once those brown bugs reproduce, the majority of the species will be brown instead of an equal amount of green and brown. Mutations. Mutations are a change in DNA that occur randomly. Most common mutations occur when DNA is not copied accurately. The DNA affects how an organism looks and behaves. In this photo, you can see two green bugs and one brown. The green bugs produce this brown bug. It is shown that the DNA was not copied properly because the brown bug should have been green, just like both of its parents. Genetic drift. In each generation of species, some individuals will survive and pass on their genes to other offspring. The offspring will not have any of the traits of the animals that did not survive. In this photo, you see a species of bugs. Some of the green bugs do not survive, leaving the majority of the population brown, and those brown bugs will pass their genes to the next generation. Some individuals from one population can move to a second population, making the genes in the first population more frequent in the second. In this photo, you have a species of brown bugs and a species of green bugs. One of the individuals from the brown bug species migrates to the green bug species, making its genes more frequent in the green bug species. Evolution has a huge impact on our life today. Natural selection, mutation, genetic drift, and migration are just a few ways that this life-changing theory occurs.
Created using Powtoon.